Hello guys, welcome back into Quotex Trading YouTube channel, where I bring you the latest and the most effective trading strategies for you. And guys, today I'll discuss a 1 minute Quotex trading strategy, and this is very good concept, and I am using this trading concept for 1 minute, 2 minutes, even sometimes I also using this trading concept for 5 minutes. And on every time frame guys, I am getting same results, which are the profitable results. Okay. So if you are a beginner, you are a mediator, or you are an experienced level trader guys, you can use this trading concept and you can book huge profit. So guys, make sure you watch this video till the end. Don't skip any part of this video guys, because I'm going to share some of the secrets, like how we are getting the confirmations, in which direction we are going to trade, and where we don't need to trade. Everything is very important. So this video is completely a advanced level trading concept guys. You have to watch till the end. Okay. And if you are watching this video for the first time, then make sure guys you subscribe my YouTube channel and keep your notifications on for upcoming latest trading videos. Guys, as I told you, we are going to use a trading concept of exponential moving average. So just click on indicator section. You will find moving average here. Click on it. And by default, SMA is selected. So now we have to change SMA to EMA. Okay, so indicator has been applied on my trading chart, but as I told you, we will use this trading indicator with a different value manual setting. What is the setting? Before I tell you about this, make sure guys you create your Quotex trading account using my link given in the description below of this video. And guys, you can also join my free trading signals on Quotex Platform. Link of my Telegram channel is given in the description below of this video. Also guys, if you are facing any issues like in your deposit, withdrawals, verification, or in recovering your past losses, then guys you can text me on my personal Telegram ID, and I will try to help you as soon as possible. Okay. So now guys, let's understand what is the EMA. EMA is nothing. It's a exponential moving average. Basically, it's a part of simple moving average. Okay. So this indicator helps us to identify overall trend, in which direction market is going on certain time frame, on certain price data. Like you can see, this is your red line, which is EMA, as I told you earlier. If these candles, no means guys, and this is red candle or green candle, overall we have to see if all candles are moving and forming above this EMA line, that means it's indicating us a upward direction trend. Okay, so what we are getting an idea, like if the trend is in up direction, we will try to place our trades from here in upward direction as much as possible. On the other hand guys, when price is below the EMA line, okay, that means it's indicating us a downward direction trend. Okay, and we will try again to place our trades in downward direction. So this is the basic concept. And what is the advanced concept guys? Like you can see, this is a downward direction trend. Okay, because candles are forming below the price, below the EMA line. When the price is crossing EMA line in upward direction, now we have to understand guys that this downward direction trend is going to be reversal in upward direction trend guys. Okay, so when the price is crossing from below to up, then we will try to place our trade in upward direction with a confirmation. All right, and when guys market is coming from up to down and crossing EMA line in downward direction, that means we are getting an idea that the price which was in upward direction, now it's becoming a reversal. And as you can see, this is your point where the price is crossing EMA line in downward direction. After getting confirmation, we will try to place our trades in downward direction from here. Okay, because you can see at this point market crossed EMA, and from the crossover you can see till here market is coming in downward direction. All right, so now guys, before placing our trade, we need another indicator for extra confirmation. So let's go in indicator section, and you can see there is a Parabolic SAR. So we are going to use Parabolic SAR with default value. We are not going to change any setting of this Parabolic SAR. All right, so what is the concept? So first guys, let me trade, and after placing few trades, I will try to explain how I am trading and how I am getting the confirmations. So now guys, here you can see market is crossing, like this is your EMA. Here this green line crossed EMA in upward direction, and price is moving in upward direction. So trend is in upward direction. All right, and also guys, you can see this is your price. Okay, and these dots which are the parabolics. All right, So if the parabolic's position is below the price, that means it's indicating us a up direction trend. All right. So we are getting two confirmations from here, and I will try to place a trade in upward direction after here. All right. So now guys, you can see I took few trades in upward direction. Let's see what will be the result of these trades. All right. Now guys, I'm going to share some of my secrets. Like if you are getting confirmation from EMA or from parabolic in upward direction, like these both indicators are giving you a up direction trend confirmation. But if you are getting any support or resistance, no matter if you are trading in downward direction, and after getting the confirmations from these indicators, but where you are going to place your trade and you are getting a support level or demand zone, you will not trade guys in down direction. If you will do so, then it can be a risky trade guys. All right. So like here you can see this is almost a support guys. You can see this is your rejection level, so it's a support level guys nearby. All right. So let's see what will be the result of our trades, and hopefully we are going to win this trade guys, because you can see mixed results guys. All right. We won two trades and I lost one trade only. All right, because it was a very close call. So let me change the asset. I think you are getting the concept how I am trading, and where you have to be very careful before placing your trade guys. All right. So here we can try to place two trades in upward direction, and again I took a $300 investment in upward direction. Let's see what will be the result of this trade as well. And concept is quite easy, quite simple. This is your EMA line, which is indicating the up direction trend, because we can see the position of price. Price is already crossed EMA in up direction, so it's indicating a up direction trend. All right. And if I see the position of parabolic dots which are below the price, that means it's also indicating us a up direction trend guys. All right. So I am getting two confirmations for up direction trend guys. Now one more advanced concept guys, one more advanced trick. All right. So crossover is happening here. All right. And I am trading here. So this is a risky trade guys. All right. So what it does mean? Like if crossover is happening here, then you will try to place your trades nearby the crossover guys. If you will try to place your trades far from the crossover, then it can be again a risky trade guys. All right. So now you can see again I won my trades and I made huge profit and good profit. And let me do some more trading guys. All right. So here guys, what we can do for like here we can try to place two trades in upward direction. All right. So now you can see 1 2 3 4. So I invested $1,200, if you will see. All right, for 1 minute in up direction. So what is the logic and what is the concept? So concept is quite easy, quite simple guys. All right. First you have to see the EMA line. This is your EMA line. All right. Now second you have to see where is the price, where are the candles. No matter guys, it's a green candle or it's a red candle. All right. So all candles, all candlestick patterns, you can see these are the above of the EMA line. That means it's indicating us a up direction trend. All right. In past, all right, in past I can see crossover is here. All right, crossover is here. Already crossed EMA crossed by your price in up direction at this point. All right. So if I could trade like here, then all trades were solid win, because you can see every candle is green candle. All right. There is no red candle. Here you can find some red candles because this is a resistance zone guys. All right. So on this zone you can find some red candles. That's why market is coming down. All right. On the other hand guys, if I see I took my trades on this candle, and you can see 1 2 3 parabolics are below the price. So all confirmations for up direction trade. That's why I took my trades in upward direction, and you can see result is in front of you guys. I made huge profit and good profit. So this is the basic concept, but you have to keep in mind, like we will use parabolic by default value, and we will use 20 EMA. All right. We can use 20 EMA, we can use 10 EMA guys. All right. So this is the concept guys. In the starting of this video, I changed like from 10 to 20, but it's okay. You will use 20 guys. All right. You will use this 20 guys, because on 20 you will get some good confirmations. All right,